Natural and man-made resources.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
In a surrounding, we find different things. Things we obtain from nature are called natural resources, such as sunlight, air, water, forest, and fossil fuels, which are obtained from Earth's crust.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Fossil fuels are produced by decomposition of dead plants and animal parts buried deep in Earth's crust. This process takes thousands of years. Such fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. On the other hand, things which are made by man with the help of machines and technology are man-made resources. Railways, bridges, dams, buildings, satellites are all man-made resources. Dear students, based on availability, natural resources are classified into two groups: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. The resources which exist in unlimited quantity in nature and does not exhaust because of human activities are called inexhaustible natural resources. For example, sunlight, air, water, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
On the other hand, there are various resources which are limited in nature and are likely to exhaust in near future due to human activities. These are called exhaustible natural resources. For example, forest, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, wildlife, minerals, etc. Suppose a jar full of chocolates is kept on a table. First 5 students are allowed to take chocolates. They took as many as they can. Then in the second round, 10 students are allowed to take chocolates. They also consume as many as they can. Now, there are many students left in the class. However, if we look into the jar, it is very difficult to get a single chocolate to each of the remaining. Same follows for exhaustible resources.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If current and subsequent generations use much of these resources in near future, there is possibility that these resources may not be available for a future generation. So effective management and use of these resources is necessary. Coal.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfadafit.com.
Coal is black, hard, stone-like substance which is used as fuel in different applications such as thermal power plant for production of electricity, in household cooking, in railway engines, and in various industries to carry out chemical reactions.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is an exhaustible natural resource. It is obtained from Earth's crust. But do you know how it is formed? Let me tell you an interesting story of formation of coal. About 300 million years ago, due to various natural processes like flood, earthquake, huge forests get buried under the surface of Earth. Year by year, more soil get deposited over them, increasing compression over them. Under hot conditions and high pressure, deeper in Earth's crust, anaerobic bacteria decompose these parts and remove oxygen and hydrogen from them, leaving behind only carbon. Due to pressure, carbon gets compressed, forming a compact stony mass called coal. This slow process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from dead remains of plants, therefore, coal is also called a fossil fuel. On the basis of carbon content, there are different varieties of coal. Lignite contains 60 to 70% of carbon. Bituminous contains 70 to 80% of carbon. It is the most common form of coal that is used. Anthracite is best variety of coal that contains 90 to 95% of coal.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
What are the uses of coal? Burning of coal in air gives out high amount of heat, releasing carbon dioxide gas. Thus, it is one of the major source of energy. In industries, various useful products are produced from coal. These are coke. It is purest form of coal. It is tough, porous, and black substance. In households, coke is used as fuel without smoke. Coke is also used in chemical processes such as manufacture of steel, extraction of many metals. Extraction is a process with which we can obtain pure metal from its impure form, such as pure iron is obtained from iron oxide. Coal tar. It is black smelly liquid having mixture of about 200 substances. It is used for making synthetic dyes, plastics, paints, synthetic fiber, pesticides, photographic material, naphthalene ball, roofing materials, drugs, explosives, perfumes, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Coal gas. It is a mixture of methane, hydrogen, carbon monoxide and other gases. It is used as fuel for industries and household fuel. Petroleum.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Dear students, we use petrol in lightweight vehicles like motorcycle, scooters, cars, etc. Similarly, we use diesel in heavy vehicles like trucks and tractors.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The natural resource from where we obtain petrol and diesel is called petroleum, which is also called crude oil. Do you know how the word petroleum is formed? Let me tell you. In this word, petra means rock and oleum means oil. The oil obtained that is trapped in rocks is petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel, which is exhaustible natural resource. Let's now understand how it is formed. We know that sea is home for large number of organisms.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
When these organisms die, their bodies settle down at the bottom of sea. Layers of sand and clay gets deposited on their bodies. Over millions of years, in the conditions such as absence of air, high temperature and pressure, these dead parts went through series of processes and get converted to petroleum and natural gas. The form petroleum, being lighter than water, floats over the layer of water and remains compressed by natural gas in a dome-shaped impervious rock called rock cap. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Refining of petroleum. Now, petroleum oil or crude oil obtained is dark oily liquid having unpleasant smell. It is consist of different constituents such as petrol, petroleum gas, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
These components must be separated, and the process of separating different components of petroleum is called refining. It is carried out in petroleum refinery. The principle used for separation is that different components have different boiling points. The method of separating components based on difference in boiling point is called fractional distillation. Different components are petroleum gas in liquid form called liquefied petroleum gas have lowest boiling point. So it is collected at the top of fractional distillation column. It is used as fuel for home and industry. Subsequently, we obtain petrol, which is fuel in automobiles. It is also a good solvent. Kerosene is fuel for stoves, lamps, and jet crafts. Diesel is fuel for heavy vehicles and machines. Lubricating oil is used for lubrication of machine parts, engines, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Paraffin wax is used for making Vaseline, ointment, that is lotion, candles, etc. Bitumen is used for making paints and road surfaces. Natural gas.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Natural gas is formed during the decomposition of dead parts over 1 million of years into petroleum.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It remains compressed above petroleum in impervious rocks called rock cap. Natural gas consists of methane, ethane, propane, and butane. It may also have carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and helium. Like coal and petroleum, natural gas is also an exhaustible fossil fuel. In India, natural gas is found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in Krishna Godavari Delta. It is very easy to transport natural gas through pipes over long distances. Uses of natural gas. Dear students, unlike petroleum, natural gas can be used as it is. As compressed natural gas, CNG, natural gas stored at high pressure is compressed natural gas. Fundamental advantage of using CNG is that it is less polluting. It is used for fuel in automobiles and for power generation. It is transported to homes and factories through pipes where it is used as fuel. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi, and other places. In chemical factories, hydrogen and carbon can be obtained by heating natural gas strongly.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Hydrogen is used in chemical factories for manufacturing of various chemicals and fertilizers. And carbon is used as a filler in tires so as to increase the strength of tires. Limitations of natural resources.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Dear students, coal, petroleum, natural gas are fossil fuels. These have plenty of advantages, but at the same time, there are various limitations on using these resources.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
These limitations can be briefly explained on the basis of two factors. First, natural resources are exhaustible, and second, natural resources cause environmental pollution. Natural resources are exhaustible. Since coal, petroleum, natural gas are all fossil fuels, these are exhaustible resources. We are using these fuels in our automobiles, for power generation, as fuel in machinery. As we are making progress, the demand of these resources is also growing. Dear students, it takes millions of years for formation of fossil fuels. But the way we are overusing these resources will last only for next few hundred years. What after that? If your father brought you a packet of toffees for a month, if you consume all of these in just few days, will you get toffees for rest of the month? No. One day, these resources will end. It raises a serious threat of not having the resources for a future generation. The second impact is natural resources cause environmental pollution. If you watch news daily, you will understand the environmental pollution is a serious threat. Burning of fossil fuel produces gases such as carbon dioxide, that is CO2, carbon monoxide, that is CO,
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, and soot. Have you ever went through an area covered with smoke? How does it feel? Are you able to breathe in such areas? No. Presence of these gases in our environment causes air pollution, which in turn causes serious effects to environment as well as on our health. Pollution is the undesirable change in our environment due to the presence of harmful contaminants. These contaminants are called pollutants. You must have heard the words such as global warming, that is, rising of Earth's average temperature, melting of ice caps, infection of poisonous gases released from factories. These all are ill effects due to pollution. As a responsible citizen, what should we do?
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If you use the toffee of packet effectively, so that it will last for a month, you will get toffees probably for whole month, right? The same way, if we use fossil fuels as and when absolutely necessary, it will help to save some amount of these resources. Limited use of natural resources also helps to lower down the pollution, which in turn makes the better environment, smaller risk of global warming, and availability of resources for longer period. In India, Petrol Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, has given some guidelines on how we can save resources. Here are those.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at the place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure and ensure regular maintenance of vehicle. So I hope you will give a helping hand in saving the natural resources. Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.